Bismillah. Are you ready to lower your blood pressure naturally? You can use Blackseed. I'm going to show you how to use it, what it can do for you, and why you should be using it. There are many factors that can give you high blood pressure, such as stress, diet, lifestyle. So you can help manage it yourself just by reducing stress, exercising, helping change your diet. But if these factors are not working for you, this is something else you can try. Using Blackseed has been proven to be effective at lowering your blood pressure. In fact, it's been used around the world for lowering your blood pressure. Before you start using it, you should make sure you check with your doctor, because if you are on any kind of medications, it does interfere with your medications. So it's best to have the doctor monitor with you to help make sure that you get the right results. For those of you who have not started any medication, you could try this approach. And again, you should also check with your doctor to make sure that they monitor you to see how it is going. They can test you, test your blood, and make sure everything is safe. I don't like people just telling me that this will work. I want to see it work. Show me that it works, and I'm going to show you. I've went through a lot of studies and tests and wanted to show them to you so that you can see for yourself how they've been working. Many of these tests are double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trials, which is probably the best kind that you can get as a test to see if this actually is working. In this first study, it was a randomized double-blind placebo test. The patients were given the Blackseed twice a day for 8 weeks, and they had a significant reduction in their blood pressures. It also lowered their LDL, cholesterol. An important part that they found in this study was it no longer had any more complications that they noticed. So it does not have those side effects that you would get with traditional medicines. Another study they did with over 100 patients. They took the Blackseed in powder form as well. It lowered the blood pressure, and it also helped with the fasting blood glucose. So if you're having any kind of diabetes issues as well, it will help with that. It also helped to lower the BMI, waist-hip ratio, so it'll help you to lose weight. There was another study done with a similar double-blind placebo-controlled with just obese men, and these men were also taking medications to help lower their blood pressures. They were also given the Blackseed along with their medications, and they saw it also helped to lower their blood pressure, help control their body weight, help lower their cholesterol and triglycerides, and helps with their blood sugar. There was again a randomized double-blind placebo-controlled study with 70 volunteers, and they received Blackseed oil, and they also had a significant decrease in the blood pressure, and they were only taking 5 milliliters of the Blackseed oil. There's a whole list of studies here, and I'll leave some links in the description box. You can go and research them more yourself if you like. But most of the results are the same. It lowered the systolic blood pressure, the diastolic blood pressure. It helped with the heart rate. It improved the HDL, the good cholesterol. It lowered the bad cholesterol. It also helped with managing their weight and also their blood glucose levels. And most of all important is there was no side effects, and they didn't have any problems with taking it with their medication or without their medication, as long as they were monitored by their doctor, and it worked either way. So for you, how can you take Blackseed oil to help with your blood pressure? First, as I mentioned, make sure you check with your doctor and have them on the program with you. You can take Blackseed powder in capsules, or you can take Blackseed oil in capsules. It does have a strong taste, so I do recommend taking capsules. You can take it by the spoon if it doesn't bother you. How much you should take? If you have mild hypertension, you don't need to take as much. You can take as little as 100 milligrams twice a day for at least 3 months to make sure that you're seeing good results. If you're taking medications, you definitely should have your doctor monitor with you and prescribe the amount that you should take, because this will differ from each person. So depending on what medications you take will depend on the level and amount of Blackseed oil you can take along with it. Make sure you ask your doctor. Don't be worried about it. If you have a good doctor, they'll be more than willing to listen to you and work with what you want to do. I'll leave a link here in the shopping bag that you can find some blackseed oil capsules and some blackseed powder, so you can decide. If you cannot find it anywhere, you can look here. I'm a firm believer in natural health, and I hope that this has helped you. Please leave some comments down below if you've tried it and how well it's worked for you, to help everyone else who is watching this video. This will help with your blood pressure, and something that's easy to incorporate, maybe easier than exercise or your diet, so you could try this option as well. I've done several videos on blackseed and the amazing things that it can do for you. Please go and watch my playlist here on blackseed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.